Hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. Okay, so today guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to trade on a top-down analysis, that is analyzing from a higher time frame or through down to the lower time frame. So I know you guys like simple strategies that you just the way they'll tell you when this and that happen, you buy. When that and that happen, you sell. So I know it's actually nice, it's actually good as trading the easy way. Fine, but guys, don't you think you need to advance, like seeing the market the way it actually is, not for the indicator to show you what might happen. Yeah, we know everything, nothing is 100%, but guys, let me show you today my analysis or what I think of this market. Let's just do this analysis together. We're actually doing this for crash 1000 index and crash 500 index. Yeah, so for this video not to be too long, I was supposed to add step index as well as volatility 75 index, but we're going to keep that for another time. Yeah, so now we're just going to focus on crash 1000 and step and crash 500 index. Let's see what's going to happen on this market for this week or this month. Okay, so guys, if you can see, stepping crash 1000 index. So sorry, I'm talking about step index. Like, I really enjoy trading step index so well. That's my favorite indices. Okay, so now guys, look, it has been on a downtrend, so we are expecting this market to continue going to the downside. This is from the weekly time frame, as I can see right here on my screen. So best thing to do, I'll go to the daily time frame, still observing what's happening on the market. You get that? Still observing what's happening on the market so as to know where the market might move to next. So from the daily time frame, I can't really spot at any special thing that will actually give me a decision to take a trade. But from this daily time frame, I'll be able to mark out my supports and resistance level. Those are the key levels, guys. Just watch this so that you'll be able to do this analysis yourself as well. So I'll mark out this as the first support level, and then I can see the market has just been ranging. The market has been ranging for some time now, and then this is another level to take note of. So the market has been moving up and down within this zone, up and down. So it has been a ranging market for months, starting from this is starting from 7th of May, okay, 8th of May 2022 down to date 1st of August. Okay, it has been ranging for a whole lot of time, but I know we can still trade this range, that is buying it at the bottom and selling it at the top. This is for long-term traders though. This is for long-term traders. But if you are, do you know who have different traders who have the scalper? That is, if you are just catching spikes or you're trading on the short-term frame, good, you can still trade within this range. Very fine. We are just doing top-down analysis to see the overall movement of the market. So guys, seeing this from the daily time frame, I can say that there's a 70% that this market is gonna go to the upside. Yes, considering that what has been happening right here, the up and down move is gonna repeat itself. That's why I have a 70% that the market is gonna move to the upside back to this point. But if we're gonna take a sell, if we need to take a sell for this trade, then it has to convince us, that is by breaking through this level. Yeah, by breaking through this line. If it breaks through this line, we're gonna continue for a sell. But mind you, this is a chart pattern. Yeah, this is a chart pattern right here. That is a bearish rectangle. So if you study your chart patterns, you know this is a bearish rectangle right here that is formed. That is market coming to from on a downtrend, and then a rectangle up and down, which the market just move up and down on that zone, forming a rectangle, as you can see. So this is a bearish rectangle, and what usually happens, a bearish rectangle is formed at the continuation of a downtrend or at the end of an uptrend. It actually indicates that the market is going to sell. This is a bearish rectangle. So on the long run, guys, this market is going to break through this point and continue the move to the downside. Let's see whether this is the all-time low. Okay, this is the all-time low for crash 1000 index. Yeah, I really don't enjoy doing this on the phone, but for the sake of you guys, I just have to do it on the phone, because I notice a lot of you don't have laptops or systems for your analysis. But all the same, let's just do this. You can also do it on the phone and system. Fine. So that is on the long run, guys. But before this might happen, before the breaking of this, that is this candle to break through this level, we might still see some move to the upside. That is another ranging before it might happen. So that's why I'm giving it a 70% to the upside for a buy. Then when it gets here, you can also take it back for a sell. Exactly. But at the long run, that is after everything, after this up and down moves, we're gonna be having a sell, a break to the downside. Exactly. So that is why I see for daily time frame on crash 1000 index, the 4-hour time frame right now. I was watching this while these spikes was happening. Let me see it again. Wow. So guys, I actually was watching this market from here, gave the spike. I didn't enter. I wanted to take it, but I didn't enter. I was just watching it. I don't want to be in a hurry for this. So it had a lot more spikes, still moving to the downside. Like, the sellers are actually in charge of crash 1000 index right now, and with the structure and the formation is giving me from the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, it seems like it's actually time for it to break through this this support level. So I think it's actually time for crash 1000 index to break this zone. But I'm not going to be in a hurry, because I'm going to enter when I see a confirmed breakout of this support level. That is when I'll be entering for a set for crash 1000 index. I'll just be patient, relax, and watch the market. Exactly, because actually I actually prefer trading on a long-term frame. Like, you just allow the market work for you. You don't have to go to your screen and analyze the chart like every time. You just take your analysis, have a stop loss level and exit point, then you just place the trade, have your risk management calculated, know what you are risking, and you let the market move your direction. So that's basically what I do. So guys, look, we're done with the daily time frame, and from the 1 hour time frame right now, I can see if it's still respecting or responding to what the daily time frame is actually pointing. We should be seeing this market move to this upside, right? But now we are seeing a reversal to the downside. Yeah. So guys, look, weekly time frame, let's just check this out. Weekly time frame is also confirming this bearish rectangle. Look at this, move to the downside, confirming the bearish rectangle. So guys, like I said, on the long run, crash 1000 index is gonna sell, break through this resistance level, and continue the movement to the downside. Look at this bearish engulfing candle. So it's quite a nice indication that the market is going to continue to the downside, that it's going to sell to the downside. So these are really, really interesting, because we are getting good confirmations that's going to get to the downside. So what I'm just waiting for, like I said earlier, I'm waiting for a breakout right here to sell to the downside. Exactly. But two things are involved right here, that if it doesn't break, guys, if it doesn't break, you will see a move to this upside again. But if it breaks, then we'll be having a sell. So this, at this point now, you can trade it on a buy. That is, you'll be risking small, because you'll be placing a buy right here and then having a stop loss right here. for a buy. That is if it's gonna move to the upside. But if it doesn't move to the upside, then it's gonna break before you be thinking of taking a sell. So this is what I see for Crash 1000 index. So let's see what's going on that. The 4-hour time frame still giving us similar moves, but it hasn't. There was no decision yet because the support level has not been broken. Yeah. So let's see 1-hour time frame. So 1-hour time frame, the same, similar to the 4-hour time frame, still on a downtrend. The market has been giving higher highs, but now it has broken through it. But I can actually see this as a point, or I can say this is actually something that can just deceive traders and make them want to go in for a sell. But it's better to be patient. You need to start seeing it happening before you enter. You don't need to wait for the run. Just join the run. That's the sweetest way to trade. You join the run instead of to enter before the run and expect you are gonna gain more. No, it's better you just join the run and then you just follow up. So we're just gonna keep our eye on Crash 1000 index to see when it breaks through this or when it gives us more reason for a buy. We're gonna be taking it up to this upside exactly. So gonna watch it for this day and before we take any decision. So that's just, you can add this to your watch list, guys, so that you can observe it and make sure you just trade towards the direction. So Crash 500 index, I'll just simply start from the Crash 500 index, guys. When I checked this, I was really happy with what I saw, because Crash 500 index is ready for an entry right now. It's ready for an entry. So Crash 500 index, look at it. On the weekly time frame, we have a double top formation right there, which is waiting for us. Look at this. Let me move this right here. So we have our resistance level, which gave us a double top formation, and our expectation on this particular index is that it's gonna sell first TP at this red line right here, first take profit at this red line right here, and the final take profit at this support level. You see that? So I'll just simply mark that. Okay, so let me mark this as the final take profit. So you guys, you get this from the weekly time frame analysis. This is so convincing on the weekly. So I've just simply moved to the daily time frame, where you still see it in a very nice dimension. Look at it. Also, the double top formation still very active. Yeah, it's still very intact. The double top formation, we just got it right here for Crash 500 index. We'll have a double top formation, which indicates a sell, a reversal. So that's why we're having this nice move to the downside. So I can see nothing stopping Crash 500 index right now until it gets to this support, this previous support resistance level, which became support, until it gets to this zone right there. So that's only where it will have some challenge to face. Like, it's going to fight with this guy right here. Then if it's able to beat this guy, it's gonna move to this downside. Yes, but if it's not able to move to beat this guy, then we're gonna be seeing some reversals. You get that, guys? So wow, shit. So that's basically what I see on Crash 500 index. So guys, just take note of this. But this trade is actually very much ready, unlike Crash 1000 index. It's ready for an entry. At least you can see what I'm talking about. This is what I mean by joining the run. At least it's already running down, so you just have to join the run, because I can see nothing stopping this trade until it hits this 5945 level. Nothing is gonna be stopping this trade until it hits the 4945 level. So that's what. So as you're watching this video, you can just go to your smaller time frame and get a nice entry and join the run, so that you have some nice peeps to catch as well. So you can see you still have a lot of pips to eat before it gets to that first take profit. So while it gets there, you can then secure your profit. You can secure your profit. You can see it has broken through this strong zone. Exactly. It has broken through this support zone, and then the next thing we're expecting is a very nice move to the downside. Yeah, so that's for that. You can just go for a smaller time frame and then take an entry to take this trade for the long run. So guys, like I said, you guys, you really need to advance. Like, start seeing the market the way it is. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Start seeing it the way it is. I know we want it simple, but the truth is that you can't just always get it simple. You can't just always get it simple. You just have to, like, do something different. Do something different. Learn this price action thing, and you'll be able to see the market in a very beautiful way. Like, you're seeing the thing like the way it is, not the indicator telling you this. I know the indicator also make it like, guys, there is nothing like indicators don't work. For real, they do work. Yeah, I'm a witness to that. I've enjoyed indicators a really lot. Like, I've made good money from indicator strategies. Yes, and I believe a lot of you have also made good money from it. The same way it fails sometimes, the same way price action also fails sometimes. Yeah, that's true. That's just the truth. But guys, it's more professional, and also it's more, you enjoy it more when you trade what you see. That is when you trade what you just see, the picture. You see the market like, okay, the market is actually indicating a sell because this double bottom, double top. Like, you enjoy trading with price action. Yeah, I'm not saying indicator is bad. It's not bad, but trading the price action is actually way more better than trading indicators. So just because some newbies actually don't know how to trade with the indicators, and it's quite take time before you are able to understand it. That's why indicators are actually helpful for them to just continue doing their thing. You get the trading thing. Exactly. So this is it, guys. Look at from the 1 hour time frame crash, 500 index. We're expecting this move to what? To continue the move to from this point right here to this downside. That is my analysis on crash 500 index. So you can start jumping in and make money for yourself. That's it, for yourself, for your family, for whoever you want to give your money or spend your money on. Crash 1000 index. I'm already on this trade, and I'm just waiting for it to hit my first take profit while I secure the profit. And then I'm always securing profit. This is something you guys should always know. It's not all the time that a trade will hit your take profit level. As far as it's on profit already, you should never allow that trade to go to hit the stop loss. At least it should be break even instead of it to hit stop loss. The main thing in trading Forex is protecting your funds, protecting your capital. So you should always protect that your capital. If your trade is actually moving in profit, like real profit, like 30 pips, 20 pips, guys, you shouldn't allow that trade to hit stop loss. No, at least break even, you are out of the trade. If since the trade decides to change direction, especially when you are trading currency pairs. Exactly. So guys, please take note of this because it's actually gonna help you a lot. Exactly. So that's all for now. I believe this video is actually helpful, and it has actually showed some of us how to do the price action analysis, so we can all make money. Look at this now, guys. Look at this. Look at this. You can see this this support level right here, this zone. It was a resistance level before, but now it's now a support level. So that's our first day profit, like I said before. So that's where we'll be expecting the price to react to. So this is a strong, let me mark this. Let me show you this. Look, please watch this, just manage it with me. This is a strong soldier right here. And then some guys are coming from the upside. The price is the bad guy. He's coming down. And then this soldier is gonna defend it. It's not gonna allow it to pass. But if this bad guy is stronger than this soldier, then it's gonna break. And then once it breaks through it, guys, there is no soldier to try to fight it again. It's just gonna come down to this side where it's gonna meet some more soldiers. Let me trace it down. Good. These are some more soldiers that's gonna drag with. But if it's able to break it, then fine, continuation of a downtrend. But if not, then we'll be seeing some really, what's it called? We'll be seeing some, but based on the fact that this is a double top formation, guys, we should be expecting it to move even lower than this our final take profit. But if you're able to catch these pips, guys, you are good to go. Like, it's money. It's really, really good money. So let's just recap on Crash 1000 index. If you notice, guys, like I don't really do videos that much again because it's been really, really tight for me. I've been really, really, really busy, guys. Really busy with things, business, and Okay, so like I said before, Crash 1000 index will have a rectangle, a bearish rectangle, which indicates a move to the downside, a sell. So like I said, you should all monitor this. If there's a breakout on this red zone, this support zone, we're gonna be going short. That is, we're gonna be selling it. But for the Crash 500 index, the trade is already running. All you need to do is just jump in and allow the river to flow. It's already flowing. Just jump in while you flow to the direction. But for Crash 1000 index, it's still just in a stagnant level. It's still in a stagnant zone. So we don't actually know where it's gonna flow to. So we are waiting for it to just like, when water actually gather in let's say in a surrounding, it's gonna move around looking for weight. So once it's just able to break through something, okay, let me put it like this. Let's say a fenced land, let's say a plot of land, fenced plot of land, and then it's filled with water. So the water is just gonna be stagnant there, looking for how it can break. So if the water is able to break just one part of the fence, guys, or the water is going to flow towards that direction. So that's what we're talking about right now. This is the fence. This is the first fence and the second fence right here. You see, first fence, second fence right here, and this is the water. It's still moving around. Where can it flow to? That is what it's still wondering right now. So until it's able to break through this, all the water is going to flow push to this downside. Exactly what I'm saying. But for the Crash 500 index, where's the guy? Crash 500. Okay, look at it right here. So for the Crash 500 index, this is a double top formation. You can see it has already, okay, I won't say it has broken through it, but based on the double top formation that will catch right there from the daily time frame, we can see the water is already flowing to this direction on a high speed. You get that, guys? So it's just like, so this, I can best give this as an example of a ball, because we are actually dealing with a reversal pattern right here, not a breakthrough. This is a reversal pattern. So as it hits, it bounce a ball to this point, it's gonna what? Bounce back. So that's what we're getting right here. So this is the first. There's another wall right here that it might bounce it back again to the upside. But if this ball is able to break through this wall, then we'll be seeing it at this bottom point. So that's for that. So thank you guys for watching this video. And if you actually don't know, we're trading synthetic indices where we got crash and boom volatilities index. A link is at the description below and also at the comment section for you to create an account so you can start trading as well. So we'll have a Telegram group. The link is also at the description. Join right there and drop good comments, please. Drop good comment. I don't really want to see comments that are annoying. Well, you can annoy me though, but I really don't want to see hate speech. And you guys, or not you guys, some persons that I really don't know what their problem is to say nonsense or rubbish. So I really don't want to see them. Please and please, let's be peaceful. Let's be happy. I'm not the cause of your problem. I beg you. You are not the cause of my problem. I'm not the cause of your problem. Let's all face a good life. So thank you for watching once again.